How to fix Skype cannot delete message. First things first, Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025 and it has been now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So if you are facing issue regarding the deletion of message, you simply have to ensure that you are trying to delete the message within the 60 minutes of sending it. It is this grace period where you can delete it within the 60 minutes, but the moment you hit the 61 or more than 1 hour, the remove option will officially disappear from the menu entirely. So what you can do is, if the limit has passed, you can simply long press the message itself and select the edit and delete all the text and type single period dot and save it to minimize its visibility. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.